my respected coordinators, teachers, brothers, sisters, and my dear friends. I am Riyana Subedi from grade 4A1, standing in front of you all to deliver a short presentation on the topic Girls Trafficking. Girls Trafficking is a serious social problem. It means taking girls away from their families by cheating, forcing, or promising them a better life. Many girls become victims because they are poor or do not know about the danger. Girls trafficking harms the lives of many girls. They are separated from their families and cannot enjoy their childhood, freedom and education. It causes sadness and suffering. We can help stop girl trafficking by educating people, spreading awareness and reporting suspicious activities. Parents should take care of their children and teach them about safety. Every girl has the right to live safely and achieve her dreams. We can help stop girl trafficking and protect all children. Thank you.